Let's just say I'm a music artist and I'm looking for a music producer to produce my songs for me, right? So I talk to a music producer and he says, oh yeah, sure, I'd love to produce your music. Can you send me some demos? What does a demo look like? What should a demo consist of when you are trying to work with a music producer? You want to hire somebody to produce music for you. A good demo helps the producer to establish the tempo of the song. What key is the song in? What is the chord progression? What is the song structure? So a good demo provides them with a roadmap. It provides the basis of the song, the skeleton, let's say, so that they can say, oh, the melody for the song works like this. And the song structure works like this. They can always add layers and layers of guitars and drums and synthesizers and production, like leave that to them when it comes to that point. But before that, it helps the producer a lot if you can make a demo, just a really basic voice memo recording of your voice all the way through the song, the entire melody of the entire song, or if you can do piano chords or guitar chords and sing the whole melody for the whole arrangement. That way they know how to arrange the song, and then you guys can tweak it and you can change it later, but you're providing them with the core of what the song is, acoustic, and then they can make it into a big production.